Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Mahian Jalil. Today I am going to show you how to apply movement pass of Bangladesh. Without further ado, let's go into the video. At first we have to go a browser like Chrome or Firefox or Opera Mini, etc. We have to go on browser and then we have to type movement pass BD or Bangladesh. We found this link on the search engine like Google. We have to click on this link and go to here. After that we have to register our ID card or something like internet based ID card. We have to register an account. After that we have to apply on movement pass application. We have to apply the application and then we will found the application here. The approval letter is here. Okay, first we have to register ourselves. Here we can see that there are my name, my mobile number, my district name, my postcode, my my post office, my gender, my birth of date, my actually it's my ID card number or something like driving license card, passport number, birth registration certificate, and student ID or employee ID. All those things we have to select. Most probably you will choose NID and the number is here. And you have to choose your photos and then you have to check that you are not a robot. Then you have to submit this form. After that you have to go application, submit the application. Here you have to give your number. I putting my number, date of birth, I am not robot. Okay, I have to log in. Now I have to submit this form. In this form there first where I am going from, then where I am going, it's they wanting where I am going, where I am from, then which is my district, which is my post office, the date and time, how much time do you spend on this trip, is it one way trip or return trip, why you are passing this. After that you have to submit it, and after that you will find the approval application on this stuff. Here you have to here your approval will come and you can print it out and go here and there where you go. And that's for today. After this video you after seeing this video you will know how to apply the movement pass of Bangladesh. If you enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you, and sorry for my interruption because I'm new in English language, so I'm sorry for that actually. Thank you.